sorry about that. I was sleeping and I forgot to watch the premiere. Anyways, guys, once again, this is going to be a November 2024 update. But this rate is going to be something else. But yeah. So, like I said, the uploads, everything is like I don't know, potentially it. But so it will be 3 uploads. One upload will be for Matty Noon's birthday. 2 uploads will potentially be the 4750th Street, Rockefeller Center Station, and yeah. And hopefully, yeah, we're on to Diwali. Happy first day of Diwali. So yeah. But I don't understand why. Why is it like this? But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. That will be it.